Sir, boat? Oh, thank you.
Oh, God, where are you now? Oh, you don't mean it. It's the street before my street.
There's so many places that I need to go, and I can't afford to waste time. That is why you see me using both for all my rights. Every time my people see me, they say that I'm always looking fresh. It's looking like the boys not making a whole lot of cash. The truth is that I said I'm not gonna give myself stress. I started using both and started to use boss less. Now my babe likes to ball January to December. We must go around the island and must story Keja. We must visit all the beaches on a lovely weather. I said don't worry babe, we can go wherever.
Whoa. Oye, tell him man, bonya, tell him man. Oye, call the mother. Boats they in charge, boats no they charge. Boats in a boom, NCR go the sharp. Drive from Mobiala on time, Boto Yadi go the fine. I be taking selfie, let the house call to be mine. Boats ready to go, take me to the club. I be charging my phone, boats now be the plug. I get to work on time, boats now be the cost. Plus I have
so many places that I need to enter. And I'm gonna order, because I can't stress my life. Every time my people see me, they say that I'm always